Every time you squeeze the trigger at a gas station, you are not just buying fuel. You are paying a waste tax that no government ever voted on. Look at your receipt. If it says $80, physics tells us that only $24 of that actually moves your car forward. The other $56? It's literally lighting your money on fire. It exits your tailpipe as unburned hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxides, and raw heat. For 100 years, the petroleum industry has sold you a lie. That this waste is an immutable law of thermodynamics. They tell you the internal combustion engine has reached its peak. They want you to believe that the only way to save money is to buy a $60,000 electric vehicle. But what if I told you the solution is not a new car? What if the solution is a $1 tablet made of ingredients your grandfather used to keep in his garage? This tablet doesn't change the fuel. It fixes the surface tension of the gasoline molecules and allows your engine to extract up to 50% more energy from every single drop. Today, we open the vault on the surface tension secret that Exxon and Shell pray stays buried. To understand why this works, we have to go back to 1923. While the world was marveling at the first traffic lights, a petroleum chemist named Dr. Henry Garrett was staring at a microscope. He discovered that the bottleneck was not the engine's pistons or the spark plugs. It was surface tension. Gasoline is a stubborn liquid. It wants to stick together in large, heavy droplets. In the split second between your fuel injector firing and the spark plug igniting, those heavy droplets don't have time to fully vaporize. They don't need to ban the tablet. They just need you to believe it's snake oil. Now, let's understand how this tablet works. To understand why this tablet works, we have to look at the math of a fuel droplet. When your fuel injector sprays gas, it creates spheres. The volume of a sphere grows at a cubic rate, but the surface area only grows at a squared rate. If a droplet is 100 microns wide, only the outer layer burns in the millisecond the spark is active. The heart of the droplet stays liquid and gets blown out the exhaust. The $1 tablet contains a combination of acetone and naphthalene. When these two combine, they create a micromist environment inside your combustion chamber. This $1 tablet produces following results inside your combustion chamber. Result A. The droplet size drops from 100 microns to 20 microns. Result B. The surface area available for oxygen contact increases by 500%. Result C. Combustion happens so fast and so completely that the kick on the piston is timed perfectly with the crankshaft, recovering energy that used to be lost as vibration. How to make the $1 tablet. If you want to try this, you must follow the ratios exactly. Safety first. Work outdoors. These are flammable solvents. Step 1. The ingredients. Take 100% pure acetone and pure naphthalene. Check the label of your mothballs. It must say naphthalene, not paradichlorobenzene. Step 2. The ratio. For a standard 15-gallon tank, you need 1.5 mothballs and 3 milliliters of acetone. Step 3. The mixing. Crush your mothballs into a fine powder inside a sealed bag. Place the powder into a cell of a silicone ice cube tray. Now inject the 3 milliliters of acetone over the powder and let it sit for 4 hours. The acetone will partially evaporate and will leave you with a waxy, semi-solid tablet. Take this tablet and drop it into your tank before you fill up. The incoming gas creates the turbulence needed to dissolve and distribute the chemistry perfectly. The carbon clearing phase. You won't see 50% on the first tank. Why? Because your engine is currently choked with carbon from years of incomplete combustion. For the first 2 tanks, the naphthalene acts as a high-intensity detergent. It's going to strip the carbon crust off your valves. Your car might actually run slightly rougher for 50 miles as that gunk is burned off. Here is the timeline of results. Tank 1. The tablet starts breaking down the carbon. You will see a 5 to 10% bump. Tank 2. The optimization improves up to 15% mpg. Tank 3. The carbon clearing phase is complete. This is where the 35 to 50% gains begin. Over a 10-year period of vehicle ownership, this $1 habit saves the average driver $13,500. That is a college fund. That is a house down payment. That is your money kept in your pocket because you chose to understand the physics they tried to hide. That's all for this video. The information in this video is more than just a life hack. It is a redistribution of power from a trillion-dollar monopoly back to the individual driver who is just trying to make ends meet. We live in an era where energy poverty is a real threat to millions of families. Yet the solutions to that poverty have been hidden in plain sight for nearly a century by those who profit from our struggle. By making your own tablets and sharing this knowledge, you are participating in a quiet revolution that values scientific truth over corporate quarterly earnings. This video exists because the Forbidden Vault believes that knowledge should not have a paywall, and that the ghost in your tank deserves to be busted once and for all. Please share this with one person who is currently stressed by the price at the pump. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, and we will see you when the next vault opens with more secrets they never wanted you to read.